Taking care of your skin with regular use of sunscreen protects your skin from harmful things like skin cancer and premature aging in the skin.
Ultraviolet radiation is an agent that causes cancer. Exposure to UV rays can cause mutations in DNA that lead to skin cancer. On average, one's risk of getting melanoma doubles if they have had more than 5 sunburns in their lifetime. However, sunscreen can protect against this. Usage of SPF, also known as sun protection factor, 15, sunscreen or higher, reduces the risk of developing melanoma by about 50% and the risk of developing squamous cell carcinoma by about 40%. Interestingly, 52% of black patients and 26% of Hispanic patients receive late-stage melanoma diagnoses, as opposed to 16% of white patients that receive late-stage melanoma diagnoses. Additionally, sun exposure is one of the leading causes of premature aging. Chronic sun exposure can lead to a loss of elasticity in the skin, making it appear wrinkled and saggy. An estimated 90% of skin aging is caused by the sun. Sunscreen can prevent this too. Those who wear SPF 15 sunscreen or higher daily show 24% less skin aging compared to those who only use sunscreen occasionally.
The reason that one should be adamant about taking care of their skin lies in the data. When people don't take care of their skin, for example, not wearing sunscreen, the risk of contracting diseases such as cancer, specifically the dreaded melanoma, skyrockets to imaginable heights and can often lead to death of the person diagnosed with the aforementioned affliction. Unlike UVB rays, UVA rays can affect people equally, even those with higher amounts of melanin, and this misconception that those of darker complexion do not need as much protection from the sun explains why minorities face an increased risk of late-stage melanoma diseases. Furthermore, there is an aesthetic reason behind wanting to take care of one's skin. Aging, as stated in the evidence above, constant exposure to the sun or sun simulations such as tanning beds can cause irreversible damage to the skin that results in wrinkles, which for the most part people in this day and age are terrified of. This apathy about our skin, which can be easily exemplified in the degree of underestimation of the sun's power, not only leads to death but the development of an almost grotesque society, which can lead to effects on self-esteem in some. Oh my